Okay, today I'm taking out this toilet in preparation for getting this floor of this bathroom re-tiled. So I'm going to show you how I take out this bathroom toilet. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm turning the supply line valve to the off position. Then I'm going to flush the toilet. And we're going to just now drain all the water out of the toilet tank. Now I really want to get all this water out, so I'm going to have to get a small paper cup or something and just really try to pick up all of that water in there. I might also use a rag to sop it up because we don't want any water in this tank. It's just going to spill all over the floor. So now I've just got a small plastic cup and I'm just scooping the water out. The other way is just to use a rag, put it down in there, have it absorb the water, and then just bring it out and wring it out in the bucket. Now we're going to disconnect the supply line from the toilet tank. And we could get a little bit of small amount of water here, but it's not going to be much. It's going to kind of separate it, so yeah, there's not a lot going on there. So now all we have to do is take the two bolts off that hold the toilet tank to the toilet bowl. Inside the tank, there's a couple bolts that you can see there. There's one there and there's one over here on the other side, and we're just basically taking those bolts out. So I used a pair of pliers to loosen them up. Now I'm just unscrewing them. Now that we have those two bolts out, we can lift the tank out and we'll put it in a separate room. So we just have to pull the tank out. And all we've got left now is to take out the actual toilet bowl. That comes next. All right, now we're taking these caps off and we're going to want to take in these nuts off these bolts so we can lift the toilet tank out. We'll do it on both sides. There's a bolt on either side. But before we do, we want to take the water out of the bowl itself. And again, I'm just using my plastic cup to pull the water out and put it in this bucket. Now I'm just using a crescent wrench to loosen up these nuts. And they're fairly easy, and then we'll just take them off with our fingers. And we'll do that for the other side. And taking off the second one. And now what we can do is we can literally just lift the toilet straight up to pull it off the toilet flange. All right, now we're just going to lift the toilet up, straight up, put on this towel. And then we look over here and we've got our toilet flange right here. And we're going to take that wax ring off, throw it away, and we'll put something to close it off so no pieces of material get into that drain. And so I pulled out the wax ring. We've got the drain hole here. We're just going to clean up, take these bolts out, and then we're going to plug this so nothing can get down in it. Now we want to cover this drain line because methane gases can get in there. So I'm just going to put this towel in here to kind of block it. And then on top of it, I'm going to put a plastic bag over it. So after I get done ripping up the rest of this towel, I'll probably put some tape around that bag to hold it in place just to make sure nothing goes in there when the new towel is being installed. So that's how we take out an old toilet. First of all, shut off the supply line to the toilet, disconnect the supply line from the tank, remove the bolts that hold the tank to the toilet bowl, lift out the tank, then remove the bolts that hold the toilet bowl to the floor, then lift up the toilet bowl, remove that, remove the old wax ring, and then plug that drain hole with something so that no methane gases will come out. Anyways, hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you get notified on my next video.